Hello everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. The today topic is how to learn automation testing, or I can say what is the best way to learn automation testing. So here in this session, I'm just assuming automation testing is nothing but here Selenium automation testing. How to learn Selenium automation testing and how much time it takes to complete the course. Okay, so to clear all your doubts, please watch till the end of the video, then you can understand how long time it will take to complete Selenium course. Okay, so guys, if you already know Java programming language, that means core Java, then Selenium is very easy and you can complete your Selenium course within 30 to 45 days only if you know Java very well. Okay, so if you know C++ programming language, then you can learn Java easily because C++ and Java is 40% of the subject will cover in Java. Okay, so if you know C++, you can learn Java easily. If you don't know any programming language, then to learn Java programming language, it takes a little bit time. So to learn core Java concepts, it takes approximately 30 to 45 days. Okay, then what are the core Java concepts we should cover for Selenium automation test engineer? Okay, you don't have to learn entire core Java concept. You have to learn some core Java concepts which are I am going to tell you. These concepts very frequently used for Selenium automation test engineer. Okay, first introduction to class. Okay, whenever they starting in the core Java concept, they will give introduction part of Java. Okay, and why Java is object oriented programming language. Okay, and also what is the difference between JVM, JDK, JRE. Okay, and introduction of class, and then some instance variables. What is variable and what is a instance variable, and what is static variable, what is a local variable. Okay, and the different data types, int, boolean, char. Okay, float. Okay, and after that they will discuss about some decision making statements like if else. Okay, switch statement, and then loop like do while loop, for loop. Okay, and then arrays concept. Okay, and then they will teach you OOPS concept like abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism. Okay, what is method overloading, method overriding. Okay, and then interface concept and constructors, default constructors. Okay, parameterized constructor. Okay, so these type of concepts will cover in core Java, and also access specifiers like what is public, private, protected, default, and exception handling concepts, and collections concept. So in collection concept, most frequently used concepts are maps, hash map, and set. Okay, at the same time array list. Okay, and then files concept and streams. So and then finally multi-threading concept. Okay, so these are the concept will cover from core Java, and it will take around 30 to 45 days to learn all core Java concepts. Okay, most importantly, as a Selenium automation test engineer, you have to learn like OOPS concepts. Okay, and string, arrays, exception handling concepts. Okay, so and then after completion of this course, so if you already know core Java, So you can directly learn Selenium automation. If you don't know any programming language, then you have to learn any one. So I recommended Core Java. So if you are interested in Python, you can learn Python. If you are interested in PHP or some other programming language, you can learn. But I highly recommend you just choose the Core Java only, because many job opportunities are career growth wise. Java with Selenium, there are most demand in the IT market. Okay. Then whenever comes to after completion of once comfortable with Core Java concepts, okay, then you have to go to Selenium IDE concept. Okay, so it will take 5 days. Selenium IDE concept. Okay, and then Selenium WebDriver introduction. What is Selenium WebDriver and what are the advantages of WebDriver and what is the WebDriver architecture? Okay, some of the basic concepts are you have to learn. So these basic concepts will take 15 to 20 days, like link button, radio buttons, check button, drag and drop, take screenshot, frames, move to element, web tables. Okay, and these are all the covered 15 to 20 days. Okay, so you have to practice each and every day after completion of class. If you don't practice, it will take long time to get job. Okay, and then after learning Selenium WebDriver basic concepts, okay, around there are 40 to 45 concepts are there. You have to learn all the concept, and then frameworks part. After comfortable these basic concepts, frameworks like TestNG, Cucumber, JUnit, you have to learn. So these will take 7 to 10 days. Okay, after learning frameworks, you have to learn some design principles, framework design principles like POM, page object model, okay, data driven, okay, and then hybrid framework and key driven framework. You have to learn some design principles. Very important, this POM concept. Okay, after comfortable this framework, you have to learn integration, continuous integration tools like Jenkins and Git or Protector, anyone. Okay, Jenkins and Git are very important as a senior Selenium automation test engineer. Okay, and then build tool, anyone, you have to learn Maven or Gradle. Maven is most important, Maven build tool. Okay, so these are the, and it will take around 7 to 10 days. So I can say finally, so for Core Java it will take 30 to 45 days, and Selenium basic concepts 15 to 20 days, and framework 7 to 10 days. So it's around, totally it will take 45 days, 45 days to 60 days. So based on your instructor. Okay, based on instructor and your, and okay, based on your instructor. Okay, so along with automation tool, while you are learning, you must have knowledge or experience on manual testing skills, basic software testing concepts. What is software testing, why we need software testing, okay, what is difference between manual testing and automation testing, okay, and what is regression testing, what is performance testing, what is functional testing, non-functional testing, what are the testing methodologies. You must have some basic knowledge on manual testing. I will give some important tips, guys. So whenever you are taking course, either it is online or offline, so you must practice after completion of your class. So many candidates are just watching the videos, they are not practicing with your hand. Without practicing with your own hand, you never get experience. Okay, so after completion of all the concepts, you have to take one demo project, one live project, then you will get some real-time experience. Many candidates are asking, how to get real-time experience. So after learning all the concept, after completion of your course, you have to take one live project, or you have to take one project, e-commerce website. Suppose there is a Flipkart or Amazon website out there. You have to do automation on that website. Practice each and every concept on the website. Then you can get an idea how, what type of issues you are facing, what type of errors you are facing. Okay, you will get more and more knowledge when you are doing your own practice. If you are just watching videos, you never get any experience. Okay, so it will take a long time to get job if you are just watching the videos. So this is my suggestion. So if you are still watching videos, you are not practicing, then it's not going to recommend to you to get job. So if you want get job within 2 months after completion of a course, then you have to do practice. You have to take one real-time project, or you have to do your own practice by taking any one application. Okay, so if you really like this video, please share to your friends also. It will be maybe helpful to your friends also. Okay, so thank you for watching.